Hi, my name is Austin Rowe, and for my informative speech project, I chose to talk about black holes. What are black holes? As defined, a black hole is a region of space having a gravitational field so intense that no matter or radiation can escape. The gravitational field is so intense that not even light can escape black holes, making them invisible to the human eye. How big are they and how do they form? Black holes can vary in size, being both huge or minuscule. The smallest black holes can be the size of one atom. Those black holes, however, have the mass of a large mountain. One type of black hole, the stellar black hole, can have masses 20 times larger than the sun. The largest type of black hole, a supermassive black hole, has a mass 1 million times greater than the sun. Every galaxy at its core has a supermassive black hole. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius, and Sagittarius has a mass greater than 4 million suns. Scientists believe that the smallest black holes formed when the universe began, so those would be the black holes the size of one atom. Stellar black holes are formed when large stars collapse in on themselves, causing a supernova. A supernova refers to when an exploding star blasts part of the star into outer space. This is a diagram of how black holes are made. So first we start with massive hydrogen and helium stars that go into supernova, which is when the outer layer blasts off and the core collapses, creating the initial black hole. Then the black hole grows as surrounding material is sucked in from all over the place, over hundreds of millions of years. Then millions, sometimes billions of solar masses pull in opposite directions, creating the black hole. The study of black holes. Black holes do not emit any sort of detectable light, making them very difficult for scientists to study. NASA uses special telescopes and equipment in order to study black holes. Scientists study the visible light, X-rays, and radio waves of the material surrounding the environments of the black hole in order to study them. When a normal star orbits around a black hole, we can measure the speed of the star by studying the visible light that it emits. Knowledge of this speed is combined with the laws of gravity to prove that a star is orbiting a black hole. Once we know that a star is orbiting a black hole, we are able to study the black hole further. History of black holes. Albert Einstein originally predicted the existence of black holes with his general theory of relativity in 1916. The term black hole was first coined in 1967 by American astronomer John Wheeler. However, the first definitive black hole was not discovered until 1971 by Charles Thomas Bolton. Bolton was a young astronomer at the University of Toronto when he initially made the discovery. Black hole facts. The massive gravitational pull of black holes distorts time and space, so the closer you get and the further you get into a black hole, the slower time goes. No matter can ever escape a black hole once it enters the point of no return. The closest black hole to Earth is believed to be 1,600 light years away. And this is a diagram of the different parts of a black hole. So this outer light green region is called the quiet region, which is relatively harmless. Then we get to the very beginning of the black hole, which is the dark green region, called the ergosphere. The event horizon, this orangish-reddish area, is also known as the point of no return. So once matter enters into the event horizon, it can never come back. Down here we have the gravitational space-time distortion right here in the middle of the black hole itself. So once you get into the middle area of the black hole, space and time become completely distorted from anything that we know. Thank you guys so much for listening. I hope you were able to learn something.